Today, we are going to walk through how to use the Toronet Community Launchpad to request and receive the governance token known as ToroG. The first step is to create a wallet. For those who don't have a wallet yet, click here to create one. Now that a wallet is created, you can now get whitelisted, which essentially involves completing the KYC process, also known as Know Your Customer. I'll enter my name, the new wallet address I created, and specify the amount of ToroG tokens I want to request. For KYC security purposes, this will require you to confirm your identification either through BVM or your ID. Follow the steps prompted to complete this. With KYC completed, you can now submit your request. You will receive an email confirmation that the request has been approved. The last step is to submit your payment for the ToroG tokens. Simply note the amount requested and provide your payment information. Now that you have successfully claimed your ToroG tokens, you're all set. You can find them in your wallet, and they will also be visible on the Blockchain Explorer. Congratulations! You now have your ToroG, and you're ready to participate in the Toronet community governance. Thank you for being a part of the Toronet community.